To this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 4 and Lecture 71 Manufacturing Plant and Plant Location. Okay. Agenda for today present in this video: important of consideration of the plant location, types of the plant layout, fixed position plant layout, and process or the functional layout, and line and product layout. These are these are topic in present in this video is more detail. Okay, the importance consideration of the plant location and plant layout, the number of machines to be installed, the number of machines to be installed in the plant, the floor area required for the working on each machine. Okay, सभी मशीन को वर्क करने के लिए उसके एरिया मतलब कि जगह की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। द पावर रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द मशीन, और सभी को चलने के लिए पावर की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है। द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द ऑपरेशन टू बी फॉलोड, प्लांट में हम सीरियल वाइज ऑपरेशन करते हैं। ओके, रिक्वायर द पावर सुपरविजन ऑफ द कंट्रोल, और पावर को हम कंट्रोल करने की टेक्निक का भी यूज़ करते हैं। द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट्री सर्विस, और फैक्ट्री की सर्विस को भी की रिक्रूटमेंट पड़ती है। द रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट्री सर्विस, पावर सुपरविजन एंड कंट्रोल, द सेफ वर्किंग कंडीशन, और वर्क करते समय अपने आप को बॉडी को सेफ भी रखना है। द प्रोविजन प्रोविजन ऑफ द स्टोर विथ द शॉप फॉर टूल instruments, finished plants. Okay, the types of the plant location. This is the most important of the industrial engineering application. The types of the plant layout. The different plant layouts are the follows. A fixed position plant layout. Okay, this is the fixed position plant layout. In this types of layout, the major part of the assembly of materials remains in the fixed position of the production system. Okay. Fixed position system production, so the location of the major component material is not destroy little to production of the ready. The materials is the main fraction of and the divided in the small components, and the use of the machine and industrial loaders, and the transmission of material in the one space to another space, moving from the industrial truck of the and the chain load of the component is application in this plant. And the inventory is most important of the plant. Types of plant layout. The fixed position. I continue on the present in the fixed position plant layout. In these types of layout, the major part of the assembly of material remains at the fixed position. All the whole operation in the only for single plant in operation. This types of layout is the mostly adopted from the extremely large item manufactured in very small number of ships, arrows, and planes. Suppose that in this fixed position plant layout in the production of the large number of components. Suppose that aeroplane's body. I make for aeroplane's body. Aeroplane's body not move to one space to another space. This is the only for stable fixed position. Okay. And planes, the planes is a large area of the structure of components and application of the fixed position of the plant layout. And SIP is the also very large area of components and products. Is the There is the fixed position plant layout. Okay, the material and advantage. The main matter of the fixed position layout are given as the follows. The minimum movement of the material means and tooling during the process. Fixed position layout in the minimum plant moving of the component, raw materials, and application of inventories and ityadi, and reducing in the no loss of time in this process only for during the short time of and fixed position nearby the all component is consist of the fixed position layout. The types of product and the related process can be easily changed without any change in layout. Okay. In this operation, the any product and any component process is the easily changes from one place to another place without any change of layout. Only for working on only one plant to one plant. Okay. The handling of major assembly or reduce whole assemblies process are reduced only for requirement on the mostly important of the major of assembly process. And this is the one plant is the one operation, and this is the A and B as this the plant as the one component is consist of the third is also. This is all whole area required in the only one plant layout. Okay. The fixed position plant layout is the material advantage, highly skilled operation. All the laborers and workers in the plant layout is the very skilled and all allowed to the complete for they are working at the on the point and the responsibilities for the quality of fix on one person's all the persons is the suppose that the given of the responsibility only for one person to one person. The frequently change in the product design and sequence of the operation is possible. It is more fixable and almost for all the respect. The merits on the advantage. The main demerits of the fixed position layout are given as the equipment handling cost is high and lab or and the equipment is not fully utilized. Okay, the process of the functional layout. In these types of layout, the similar machine operation is are grounded together. Similar machines so that all the operation of some types of performed at the some place always is application of the fourth example for the lathe machine may be ground together all the drilling machines in a one area. Suppose that the one is machine is the this is the drilling operation and this is the machine is the drilling and machining is the whole area of machining. The first operation is the farming operation and second machine is the consist of the turning operation machine and third operation is the milling operation and fourth machine fourth machine is also used in the shaping process and fifth machine is the broaching operation the and sixth machine is the use for the drilling operation and seventh is the heat treatment operation and eight is the operation of the shaping and infection of the machine. operation and the finished part storage and the suppose that it is the infection and all the component in the stored and we stored in the inventory in the workshop of the finished product. Process and functional layout. The advantage of the continue the main matrix of process the functional layout are given as the favor of machine needed. The favor of machine is needed, hence the small capitals investment are required, hence the workers is become major, more interesting. The product quality is the better and because the work do some types of job, the available of machinery and equipment better utilization and permit of yearly and maintenance of the machine. The disadvantage of the machine, the main disadvantage of the process and functional layout are given as the required more floor area of the layout. The process of functional layout is the disadvantage of the layout. The main advantage of the process is functional layout is the require for more floor area of the layout. The functional layout is the required for more area and required for large in process for inventory, the application of the large inventory in the operation, the handling, the metal handling time is the therefore the corresponding cost of higher. Production control is the relatively to the difficult. A material handling process cannot be easily automated and total job completion time is more and more large area whole of the production operation. Thank you so much. In this video I will present in the some of the plant layout and the fixed position plant layout and the advantage and disadvantage or the and example all that given in video detail. Thank you so much.